Yeah, Queen Ifrica, Westchester Reggae Festival, Reggae Vibes, media, you know the thing, go loud and we eat ya. Yeah.
Ask everyone, or we want to encourage everyone to come out tomorrow to the Westchester Reggae Festival. We are going to have a stellar lineup of artists. Come on out. It's in White Plains, New York. We have Leroy Sibbles with a catalog of music from the Heptones. Queen Ifrica, who hasn't been to New York in a minute. Etana, twice nominated for Grammy, and very, very beautiful songstress. And of course, the king, the original king of the dancehall, Yellow Man, and he's very, very entertaining. And tickets are available at the door in the Bronx at SY Grace, People's Choice Furniture, in Mount Vernon, Golden Cross, in White Plains, Golden Cross, etc. Or you can just call us 914-417-1686, and we'll direct you to where you can get your tickets, or get it online, Ticketmaster.com.